For the second abs of copper exercise, we're going to do a tall kneeling pull. So Rachel's going to be here on both knees. We're going to think about taking those toes, flexing them up underneath. We want to make sure that we're adequate, far enough away from the anchor of the device. You can use a band, you can even use a cable pulley system. I'm going to say the band works better because the resistance increases as you pull towards your body, where the cable, the resistance stays static as you move it back and forth. So I do prefer the bands over the cable, but if your options are limited, cable works well. So what we're going to look at here is I want to see a nice straight line from the ear, shoulder, hip, and knee. So we don't want to have the hips scooched back, and we also don't want to be leaned back, okay? We got to keep those ribs down. We want to make sure now, thinking about putting the body on a wall behind you, and actually feel like you're about to fall forward. You want to be at that point where you feel like you're about to tip forward, and now slowly she's going to pull that band right up around collarbone area as she moves. So we're talking about abs of copper, but what this also does is you got hips, you got buns, instead of buns of steel, you got buns of copper and hamstrings. Your hamstrings are going to light up like a Christmas tree on this one because it's all about keeping that body stable. So if your abs are really weak here, that's when you're going to allow the hips to go back, or you're going to compensate going here. So if you find out that your distance is too far and you're struggling, scoot a little bit way forward. Now a little goes a long way. So again, Rachel's going to set up. She's going to keep those hips, those front pockets pointed to the wall as she slowly pulls that band right around the collarbone area. Thinking about not only leaning forward a little bit, but thinking about the head going high to the ceiling as you pull. So let's go one more time. Nice and easy. And boom, there it is. So abs of copper, yes. Buns of copper, sure. Hamstrings, you got it.